Hey there, DIY enthusiasts, ready to launch into an exciting project? Today I'm going to show you how to build your own rocket from scratch. Let's blast off. First things first, safety is key. Always wear safety goggles and gloves. Now let's gather our materials. You'll need a sturdy cardboard tube, a plastic bottle as the fuselage, some duct tape, a pair of scissors, baking soda, vinegar, and a cork that fits snugly into the bottle's neck. Got everything? Awesome! Step 1. Prepare your rocket's body. Take the cardboard tube and attach it to the side of the plastic bottle with duct tape. This will act as your launch pad. Step 2. Make the rocket's nose cone. Cut a circle from the cardboard, then make a cut from the edge to the center of the circle. Form it into a cone and secure it with duct tape. Attach this to the top of your bottle. Step 3. Time for the propulsion system. Pour a small amount of vinegar into the bottle. Now add some baking soda into the cork. This will be your rocket fuel. Step 4. Launch time. Quickly but carefully, insert the cork into the bottle's neck. Flip the rocket over so the bottle is on top of the cardboard tube and step back. The chemical reaction will build pressure and before you know it, lift off. Remember, always launch your rocket in an open area away from people and buildings. So there you go, a DIY rocket that's simple, fun, and educational. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY projects. Thanks for watching and happy building.